Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You got problems with your Samsung ventless or vented all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit? Well, I'm gonna go over the top 4 reasons why you guys are having all these issues with your Samsung ventless and vented all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit. Let's get into it. I get comments on my channel all the time from people that are having problems with their Samsung ventless or vented all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit, and I want to try to clear some things up for you guys. This is not a end-all be-all. This is not a total list, and issues that you have may not be caused by this. If you're not doing these things, it is a great indicator that problems may be to come. I want your guys' machine to last as long as possible and be as fresh as possible because they have really changed our lives as far as laundry is concerned. So I'm really happy with the purchase of this ventless all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit, and I'm very thankful that Samsung sent me this vented all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but they did send it to me last year for another video, but I wanted to be clear about that. Number 3, the reason why you're having so many issues is because you're not cleaning out your lint filter the right way. Especially on the ventless series. The vented one, pretty easy. You just scrub it and it's super awesome. The ventless one actually pulls apart, and if you're not looking carefully, you may not know that. Don't bang that thing on a trash can because that magnet that's inside may pop out. Keep that in mind. Just want to put that out there. The number 2 reason is that you're not cleaning out the door trap seal. Now that's the seal that's inside the door underneath. The water comes down, rushes through, and all the lint and everything that's built up in the machine gets clogged in there. And if you're not doing that, you're going to end up having to pull the machine up and tilt it back, take this pipe out from underneath, and inside of that there's all kinds of water and potential lint buildup if you're not cleaning out the door seal trap. There's just those 3 little holes. You're just going to pull the stuff out after every single cycle. Once it's dried in there, more water will come through, loosen it up, push it down through, and it gets stuck in there. And over time, that stuff builds up and builds up and builds up, and then you've got a real problem on your hands. You're going to have to look at my other videos and figure out how to fix it. Now, in conjunction with that, cleaning the machine out, if you have a child that still wears pull-ups or diapers, be very cautious that those get thrown in the trash, and that a kid is not putting their laundry with the pull-up, because that happens. That's happened to other people on the channel, and I have done it too. I've done it multiple times. I've done it in the ventless and the vented one. Just make sure that if that happens, you do run the product cleaning cycle and throw one of these fresh tablets right in there. My number 3 was just be very cautious that you do not throw a pull-up inside of the washing machine on accident. And the number 1 reason why I think that you are having issues with your washer and dryer combo unit over time is that you're not running the product care cycle. All you have to do is get some of these, link down in the description below, throw it in there, and then run the product care cycle on either the ventless or the vented unit. It takes a few hours. I think on this one it takes about 6 hours, so start it before you go to bed. Make sure there's no clothes in there. Start it before you go to bed. It'll be done whenever you wake up. Set a schedule, do it about once a month. Buy these, it's a 5-month supply. You run it, you put 1 tablet in there, you run it, you're done, end of the month. So get yours down in the link below. So there was a guy that commented on my channel. He was having some lint buildup issues, and customer service told him that it was because he did not run the product care cycle as intended on a regular schedule. So you have to remember, you have to run that product care cycle on a monthly basis. When you do that, it's cleaning out all of the insides of the washing machine, and it's pumping those things out. Now, also, you should be emptying the lint trap at the bottom of the machine probably on a 3-month cycle. I don't end up doing that. I end up just letting it get the error. It puts me in a predicament because sometimes I am like, my ADHD brain just cannot seem to handle some things. As you've seen in my videos, I'm all over the place. So sometimes I will throw clothes in the washing machine the night before so that they're ready in the morning. Well, it bit me one morning. I had to drive 2.5 hours to work, and I was already running late, and guess what? I had the 5C error code. It was a terrible morning. I found something else to wear, but none of the stuff was dried, and it wasn't the vented, it was the ventless unit. So just be sure that you're cleaning out that trap on a 3 to 4 month cycle. It'll probably end up getting that error code after about 4 months. I've done it twice on this one. So I filmed a vented review video, and it was like literally 2 days later, I ended up getting that error code that I needed to clean the lint trap out. I've had the vented since September. So 3, 4, 5, I've had it 5 months. I've had to do it twice. So you could figure about every 3 months, you're gonna have to pull that out. So 4 times a year, that's really not terrible. You do get water everywhere and it kind of stinks, but just make sure you put a lot of towels down, especially if you get the air while the tub is full. It'll just literally like rush out. Just keep that in mind. But anyway, guys, these are the top 3 reasons why you guys are probably having problems with your Samsung Vented all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit. If you can stay ahead of the game, I've even seen people that say that whenever they pull the lint filter out, they vacuum it, or they vacuum it mid-cycle, which is crazy. And they say it really helps dry times. So keep that in mind. These are a little bit higher maintenance machines, but there is a really good trade-off there, in my opinion, that you wash and you dry clothes all in the same cycle, and there's no like switching laundry back and forth. So I really appreciate that. And for the minimal amount of maintenance that I have to do on these machines, it's been great. But I hope you guys follow these instructions. I hope that it really helps you. And if it does, if you don't have as many problems as you were having before, let me know down in the comment section below. If there's anything you think I need to add, also let me know that, because I'm happy to critique things or add things or make new videos, let you guys know what the next game plan is, right? We're all really on the same page here. I'm trying to help you guys as much as I possibly can. Take care. If you like this video, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks. Take care. God bless. Bye.